Welcome children. Today we are going to start comparison of rational numbers without a number line. The whole process is divided into three categories: rational numbers with the same numerator, rational numbers with the same denominator, rational numbers with the different denominators and different numerators. Then the rational numbers first case, rational numbers with the same numerator when p equal to r, that is p by q and r by s when two rational numbers, and p is equal to r. To compare the we have to compare the denominators only. Okay, the process has been shown here with the example. Now the second case, rational numbers with the same denominator, that is p by q are based two rational numbers, then q is equal to r, denominators are equal. Then also we have to compare the numerators. Then if numerator greater than r, yeah, numerator is less than r, yeah, numerator is equal to r. According to that, the rational numbers be compared. Okay, now the third case is when the different numerators and different denominators. In that case, we can compare the rational numbers by two methods. First method, finding the LCM of denominators, and second method is cross multiplication. First method has been shown by an example here. We had taken two rational numbers 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. After taking the LCM, we had find out the equivalent fractions, then compare the numerators. According to that, we can get the result, that whether the first one is less than or greater. Here 14 by 21 and 15 by 21, we get comparing this, we get 2 by 3 is less than 5 by 7. Now next method is cross multiplication. In cross multiplication method, we had shown here 2-3 examples are here. First one, minus 3 by 7 and minus 4 by 9. After cross multiplication, we have minus 3 into 9 is minus 27, 7 into minus 40, minus 4 is minus 28. For naturally, minus 27 is greater than minus 28, hence minus 3 by 7 is greater than minus 4 by 9. Now go through the other examples also. Now next is word problems. When in word problem, we have train at a uniform speed covers a distance of 350 km in 3 1 by 2 hours. Find the speed of the train and distance covered in 5 hours. Here distance is given as 350 km. Time is 3 1 by 2, that means 7 by 2 hours. Now speed, you know, as you learnt in science, speed is equal to distance upon time. So that is 350 divided by 7 by 2. 7 by 2 rational number. Then you have to multiply it with the reciprocal, that is multiplicative inverse of 7 by 2, that is 2 by 7. So what we got, 100 km per hour. Okay, so distance covered in 5 hours is, this is the distance covered in 1 hour, 100 km per hour. Now in 5 hours it is 500 km. Okay, now the second example, the length of a rectangular plot is 5 1 by 4 meter and breadth is 2 1 by 3 meter. Find the perimeter and area of the plot. So length we had converted into improper fraction, breadth also converted into improper, perimeter formula 2 into n plus b. We have to find out the sum of 21 by 4 and 7 by 3 that we got as 63 plus 28 by 12, 2 into 91 by 12, that is 91 by 6, that is 51 by 6. Area is length into breadth, that is 21 by 4 into 7 by 3, that is 49 by 4, that is 12 1 by 4 meters. So perimeter of the plot and area of the plot are we got. Okay, now next is Sabina had 11 1/4 meter long rope. She cut into 9 equal pieces. Find the length of each piece. So length of the rope is 11 1/4 meter, and we have converted it into 9. Okay, that is 45 by 4 into 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is multiplicative inverse of 9. Okay, after cancellation we got 5 by 4, which is 1 by 4 meter. So length of each piece is. So I have given some questions like this in the worksheet. So in the worksheet also you have to follow the same method to solve the questions. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. Stay healthy and safe. Okay, thank you.